Hey, are you looking for more freedom, flexibility, and more time for what truly matters? I know you are working so hard, very hard, in order to survive and to provide for your family. That was me not too long ago until I discovered the world of digital business. And with the right system and support, I was able to build a sustainable digital business that fits my lifestyle. And at the same time, I'm creating the future that I am dreaming of. No more long commutes, no more missing out of family special moments, and I have now time for myself as well. It's never too late to design a work that will fit your lifestyle too, not someone else's dream. So if you are ready to change your life, don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for next time, because tomorrow is never guaranteed. Today is always the right time to change and to start dreaming of the life you want to be. So if you are ready for a change, comment ready below, and I'm happy to connect with you and help you start your own journey. I'll see you soon.